Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to model an impeller in Fusion 360 step by step. An impeller is a rotating component of a pump or compressor that transfers energy from the motor to the fluid, increasing its velocity and pressure. So let's get started and see how to create impeller design using sketch, loft, revolve, and pattern features. So let's begin. Take the new design file and let's start sketching on the front plane. Take line tool and vertically from horizon, draw a straight line, then horizontal line, then perpendicular line. Okay. Now from this end, continue drawing horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Now from create, let's take 3-point arc, connecting the end of both the lines. Draw a tangent arc. Now take dimension. Let's give this thickness as 2 and here the small thickness. Let's give diameter dimension as 7. When you right click, you will get diameter dimension. Now here also let's give length as 2. And to this, right click and choose diameter dimension and give diameter 80. We are giving diameter dimension because we are going to revolve this profile. Here 37. Yes. Now we can revolve. Profile is selected. Select the center line as axis. Okay. Now the base is complete. Select the top face as sketching plane and take 3-point arc from horizon. Let's draw an arc. Okay. Now take dimension and let's give the radius is 46 from horizon to the end of the arc. Align dimension as 30. Now the distance from horizon, it is 15. Yes. Now invoke offset and select the arc and give offset of distance 1.5. Okay. Now let's close this arcs. Draw line connecting to the end of the arcs. And let's give vertical constraint here. And to this also vertical constraint. Now the sketch is fully defined. So the first profile for the loft is ready. Now we have to create the second profile. For that, let's invoke an offset plane and from top plane, create a plane of distance 1. Okay. Now invoke create sketch and select this newly created plane as sketching plane. Now here also, let's create a profile. Draw a rectangle from the horizon. And let's give the dimension length as 36 and the height 1. We can finish the sketch. Okay. Now let's loft it. Invoke loft feature. Select both profiles and you can see the loft is created. Now in operation change to join And in profile tool, change to direction. Take off angle zero point 0.5. Okay, yes, our first blade is complete. Now we have to give circular pattern. Invoke pattern and in type circular pattern. In object type features and from timeline select the loft. Axis select the center line. Yes, let's give loft of circular pattern of 15 numbers. Quantity 15. Okay, so this is the base of our impeller. Our model is almost complete. Now let's create a circle in front plane. Invoke circle, trace circle here. Here 43 and from origin the height is 22. Okay, now let's give the shape. Invoke revolve and axis select Z axis. Yes, now you can see the impeller is taking the shape. Okay, you can see the blade design now, and this is our final model. And let's give hole on top. Select this top face. Let's give hole for the shaft. Select the center of the face and diameter. Let's give as 5. Okay, and let's give hole through all. Yes. Okay, so our impeller is complete. This is the final model. Now, if you want to apply material, you can apply material from render, appearance. Here I'm giving aluminum. You can drag and drop, or you can change the color. Yes, so that's it. That's how you easily model an impeller in Fusion 360. We use basic sketching tool. This model can be used for simulation, rendering, or even 3D printing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CAD videos. Thank you.